Hey guys, welcome back to another video here on my Nicholastic channel. So Jake and I are going to be taking a dip in the Hippie hot tub tonight, and I'm really excited. This will be our second time using it, and I wanted to make a video on my favorite homemade bath salts, herbal baths. I'll just be doing one of those baths tonight, but I'll show you guys other recipes that I use. I'm actually heading to the garden right now, which I just passed, to grab a couple of ingredients that I need. So let's do it. So the first ingredient that I need is lemon balm, and we have a ton of it. So we have some here, we have some over by the yurt, and we also have some over there. So I'm just going to be harvesting a bunch here and there. So this bath, oh, the sun just like totally came out. So this bath isn't going to be a bath salt, it's just going to be fresh herbs. It's going to actually, it's actually called a lemon balm bath. So the main ingredient is lemon balm. I should have brought some scissors, but I completely forgot. That's okay. All right, on to the next one. The next ingredient is chamomile flower, but I didn't realize I was gonna make this video. It's kind of a last minute video, and I already came through here this morning and picked a bunch of the chamomile flowers. So I'll be using those, and they're already inside, but I do see a couple of more that I can pick. This guy right here. I love the smell of chamomile. It smells so sweet. And this is a German chamomile, and it is all over. It's like all of this and all of this. We have a couple beets in here, but it just smells so sweet. Yeah, there's actually a lot more when I'm like sitting here looking. They're like camouflage in. It's kind of hard to see. Okay. I will combine this, what I harvested this morning, and put it in my bath. Hi, what are you doing? Are you exploring? So if you guys are new to this channel, or if you don't follow the Living Off Grid, which, oh, my cat's behind me. Where'd he go? Oh. And if you don't follow Jake and I's channel, Living Off Grid with Jake and Nicole, this is our bathtub. Filling it up right now, and it is heated by the wood stove right here. It's called the Hippie hot tub. And the first time we ever took a bath in it was amazing. It was so magical, and we decided to do a bath today. So it's taken about an hour and a half to fill this thing up. We had a couple of bumps in the road, and it's gonna take about an hour to heat it up. So we're hoping that we're still gonna have time to take a bath tonight. If not, then we'll just take one in the morning, no big deal. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. This is rainwater that we've harvested from one of our decks over there. Hoping that we can take a bath tonight, so we'll see. Let me give you guys a better look. So here's the wood stove, and it has a chimney that we put on there. I just haven't put it on yet. So that's where the fire goes. Through this pipe is the water will circulate and heat up the bathtub. All right, good morning, you guys. So obviously last night Jake and I weren't able to fire up the jacuzzi or hippie hot tub. It was just a little too late. I mean, we could have, but we wouldn't have been able to film, and that's what we wanted to do. But hey, who doesn't like a good morning soak in a hippie hot tub in the mountains? So we got the fire going in there right now. We have the cold water pushing through the bottom, circulating, and then it's coming out the top. And one thing that we have to make sure that we keep doing, well, two things, is keep the fire going, and we have to keep stirring the water. If not, it won't work properly, and it'll take a little bit longer. So like up here you can see the hot water pushing out. So I just take a strainer, because if there's any bugs or pine needles or anything in there, this gets it out, and it also stirs it. So the more you stir it, the faster that it will heat up, because it will circulate the hot water faster. And I have my lemon balm bath tea bag, I guess, ready to go. So when the water gets warmer, I'm gonna put this in here. And I had to put mine in a bigger bag, because my bathtub, or my tub, I guess, is way bigger. There's a lot more water in it than a normal size bathtub. So if you guys want to do this with your tub that's in your house, apartment, or whatever, you can use just a normal tea bag. So this one I just used a hemp bag that I use for straining out dyes and stuff, or homemade milk or whatever. So in here is everything that you've seen me pick, and it smells so good. Like the chamomile you can smell, and the lemon balm. And then I also added in some rose petals. I have a rose bush down here, my Nicole rose, that has some flowers. Oh, I'm gonna get hit by a bunch of smoke. I'm also gonna pick a couple of those flowers and then just pop them in there. So yeah, so when the water gets warm enough, I'm just gonna put this in there. And if you want a bonus to your bath, you can always drop in a couple of essential oils like lavender or maybe jasmine. So right now the temperature of the tub is, it's about 20 degrees Celsius. I'll put Fahrenheit on the screen right now, and we'll keep monitoring it and see how fast it warms up.
Ready? Hey, how is it?
It's perfect. Are you ready?
Temperature?
Yeah, 34 Celsius.
You should get in and test it for the first time.
There's no mosquitoes.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, this is perfect.
Nice.
Oh yeah.